Hello everyone. I'm going to demonstrate how to do the works cited page for this week's assignment. I'm starting on the assignment page, and here's the resources that you're going to use. Out of all the sources that you found, you're going to choose one of your ebooks. You're going to use both of the peer-reviewed articles that you found, and the other two can be made up of, you can either use magazine, newspaper article, or one or two of your internet sources. I'm going to use one ebook, two peer-reviewed, one magazine, and one newspaper, but you can use the two of your choice however you want. It can be any one of those, okay? So going down here, here's the steps to do it. You're going to use 12 font, Times New Roman. Everything's going to be in alphabetical order, double spaced, and it's going to have a hanging indent. Here are some links to check your citations for accuracy. And then down here is how I'm going to grade it, and it's going to be 10 points. So I'm going to start the tutorial by opening up a web or Word document, okay? So here I opened up a Word document, and I'm going to start up here, and I'm going to switch the font to Times New Roman. And it's going to be 12 font. And then I'm just going to tab over and put works cited. And then I'm going to highlight that and center it. And that's all you have to add. And then you can start pasting your citations. So I'm going to start with my ebook, and I went to the ebook advanced search discussion where I have my ebook resources, and I'm just going to click on one of the links. I'm going to choose this top one, the social media and young people. If for some reason you click on a link and it doesn't take you there, or the EBSCO host does some kind of weird thing, you can always run the title through OneSearch, and that usually will get you to the site where you can get the citation. So I'm going to go right over here where it says cite. I'm going to scroll down. Make sure you don't get the APA. The difference between APA and MLA is easy to spot because the APA has the year by the author, and the MLA has it after the publisher. So I'm just going to grab this, copy and paste it, and I'm going to put it right there. Now I usually like to do the one in the middle, the merge formatting, because that keeps anything that's in italics that should be italicized, it keeps it in there. If you use the other ones, it messes it up, and then you have to go back in and put that in to make it a correct citation. So now I'm going to grab my other citations and put them in alphabetical order. You can put them in alphabetical order at the end. I like to do it as I copy and paste them. So now I am getting my peer-reviewed two sources from the advanced search assignment, and I'm just going to click on that link, and I'm just going to put it right up here to keep it in alphabetical order. Keep it in merge formatting, and then I'm going to do the rest. I'm going to grab my other peer-reviewed, my magazine, and my newspaper resource. Okay, so now I have all 5 of my sources. And I just want to point out this one right here did not have an author. So it starts with the title of the article, and I just do the alphabetizing with the first letter. So research, I use the R and alphabetized it that way. You will find sometimes the resources do not have authors. A lot of websites and internet sources do not have authors. So that is how you would alphabetize it. So now all I have to do is double space and do the hanging indent. So I'm going to highlight this whole thing right here. And then I'm going to go up here where it says paragraph. I'm going to click on that little drop down menu. I'm going to go down to where it says line spacing options. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to go over here to where it says special, and I'm going to click hanging. And then I'm going to go down here where it says line spacing, and I'm going to click on double. And that is how it should look. Now all I have to do is go back and make sure that all the citations are correct. And I'm going to do that by looking at the links and the pages that I provided in the modules. You would look at what the link has and then make sure that yours looks similar. There's a lot of good videos in the module this week that will demonstrate how to do them as well. So make sure that you look at all those. I can tell you right off the bat, this up here, this P needs a space. It's driving me crazy. And make sure that your journal articles, magazines, and newspapers, the container, the name of the container is in italics, and same with the database. When you have an ebook, the title of the book is in italics and the database. So those are the two differences there. And if you watch the videos in the modules this week, you will clearly see that. And when you click on the links for the LAVC citing LibGuide. Okay, so that is it for this tutorial. I have all the links to the LibGuide right here. There's also all the videos in the modules. I do have two short hanging indent videos for Word and Google. Those are the two options you can use. And if you have any questions, email me, okay? Have a good week.